Hello everyone, let us discuss Unit 1.5, that is Functions and Qualities of Teacher and the Headmaster, as a part of our paper School and Classroom Management. Teacher. A teacher is the single most vital factor and the backbone of any progressive scheme of national education. Dr. West Kiersey classifies the teacher as a role variant of the personality type idealist. Now, when we think about the qualities of a good teacher, there are many aspects or many characteristics that would come to our mind. For example, we always believe that the teacher, that is he or she, should have a well-rounded, chiseled, X-factor personality replete with a calm, pleasant, friendly, optimistic, enthusiastic, sincere, and a sympathetic demeanor. So it's very important that a teacher should be pleasant, calm, friendly, optimistic, enthusiastic, sincere, and sympathetic towards his or her students. Contrary to the popular belief that teaching is a stress-free profession, it can actually be highly strenuous and demanding. Thus, a sound mind in a sound body is required, because as it is considered that teaching is a stress-free profession, actually it is not, because there are various responsibilities that a teachers hold in spite of teaching in the classroom. A teacher is constantly in the public eye and they have to be in a certain way. He or she is being watched and emulated by students. He or she must always be frank, sincere, and honest in his or her dealings with fairness of mind and integrity of character. Because without that, we cannot call ourselves or our behavior befitting a teacher. A dull and listless teacher brings boredom into the classroom, whereas a lively teacher can foster interest among his or her students. So it is very important that we look forward to become a teacher who has all these characteristics. Similarly, the voice should modulate in pitch, loudness, and speed as a distinct and clear voice with correct pronunciation, which brings clarity of explanation, which is one of the skills that most of the teacher education colleges teach students, because voice is the major tool that a teacher can have, and if you are in a position to modulate it in terms of the pitch, loudness, and speed, nothing can get better for you as a teacher. He or she should be a master at explaining concepts comfortably and should employ the right teaching aids and methods suitable for the given topic. Now let us look at the essential functions of a teacher. So when we talk about essential functions of a teacher, it again becomes an important aspect to note that he or she should effectively and well in advance plan the distribution of units of syllabus and other activities and programs and ensure their timely completion. He or she should observe, guide, and motivate students as per their needs and potential to bring out the best in them. And the teacher must maintain and keep all required records up to date with all sorts of needed information about his or her works. So it is important that the teacher takes care of all these functions. With proper tools and techniques, he or she must constantly evaluate the achievements of his or her students and diagnose any shortcoming, if any. He or she should keep the parents well informed about how they are performing, how they are working in the school, and overall the progress of their child. He or she should be courteous and respectful towards all other staff and administrative members, because it is important that you behave in a particular way which can be emulated by your students in their respective lives. And the school is as great as the headmaster under whom it may flourish or perish. So it is also important to note what are the qualities of a good headmaster. Sound educational philosophy of life and values should be a part of the life that a headmaster leads. An educational visionary with sound judgment and foresight. The functions include he or she should proficiently handle human relations, fostering a sense of unity and cooperation amongst all fractions of the school plant, which includes the teachers, the students, administrative staff, the multitasking staff, and all the stakeholders, including the parents. a high power dynamo so that the wheels of the administrative machinery are constantly moving. A good experimenter and willing to try out new trends and techniques. Supervision and smooth running of all the activities and programs is considered as one of the functions of a headmaster. He's a prime person who is responsible for improving the instruction. Management of the school plant, equipment, staff, students and all resources is also one of the functions of a headmaster. Ancillary duties of providing school uniforms, textbooks, etc. for students' maximum benefit is also considered as one of the functions. Pre-session, preparation for the term ahead, checking infrastructure, etc. is also included. Ongoing session, which includes medical examinations, meeting, etc. if needed, should be held. Post sessions, which includes evaluation, result sheets, and annual report, etc., are also considered as one of the primary responsibilities or function of the headmaster. Thus, the headmaster plays a pivotal role in the education system. So if you have any queries related to this topic, please feel free to type it in the chat box. Thank you.